start cooking, grab your knife, cube the beef, make it nice. Softer meat cooks fast. You see, fire up the stove, let's make it tasty. Oil in the pan, heat it high. Add the beef, let it fry. Grind black pepper for that scent. 10 minutes high till golden's melt to a pot. Move the meat, don't wait to glaze with water. Scrape the plate, pour more water, let it blend. Bay leaf, cinnamon, flavors descend. Crush one garlic clove, toss it in. Lid on tight, let the simmer begin. 1 hour low, let it stew. Now for veggies, we've got work to do. New pan, oil, heat it fast. Chop onion fine, make it last. Fry till golden, quick and neat. Trim green beans, cut 2 to 3. Toss beans with onions, fry them well. High heat, sizzling, can't you tell? Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 of black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, makes it better. Stir a bit, let flavors mix. Set the pan aside, we're not done with tricks. Check the meat, 1 hour's done. Pull out bay leaf, cinnamon, fun's begun. Add the veggies, stir them through. Beef stock or water, it's up to you. Cube potatoes, add to the pot. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, stir it hot. Lid back on medium heat. 30 minutes till it's thick and sweet. While it cooks, toast some bread. Slice it up for the spread. Check the stew, it's looking fine. Smells so good, it's dinner time. Into a bowl, pour it free. Count it out, 1, 2, 3. Serve with toast, take a bite. Like in